On this day of Tisha B'Av, as on one hand we're involved in mourning over the temple, we're also involved in trying to rebuild the temple Bezrat Hashem. Like it says, Tzion b'mishpat tipadeh v'shavea b'tzedakah, as is customary, that also the charity given on Tisha B'Av is meaningful. Now, we believe one of the greatest ways to rebuild the Beit HaMikdash and bring Mashiach is through Rebbe Nachman's teachings. Anybody who's tasted his teachings, see how they're life-changing, life-saving. They do everything to bring Mashiach faster than anything else, is the spreading of these beautiful teachings of hope and encouragement. So we at Breslov Therapy have been holding on for many years, giving shirim without cost, without any charge. But there's reached a point where we can't continue. We need help. Truly, we need help to continue. So on this day of Tisha B'Av, your support is really appreciated to help us to continue Bezrat Hashem. You can use any of the links below. The situation is very difficult now that we've even cut the amount of classes we've been giving every week. Our goal is to give 5 to 6 classes every week, Bezrat Hashem. We're holding now at maybe 1 or 2, and that's about it. So your help is really appreciated to help us to be able to give these classes that we believe so much they're life-changing. Thank you so much, and may Hashem console all of us with the rebuilding of Yerushalayim and Zion, especially with these amazing teachings which implant the fear of Hashem, Yirah Shalem, Yerushalayim, complete fear, and also Yirah Shalom, fear and peace of the whole world, B'ezrat Hashem. Thank you.